lots of fresh veggies in a spicy Indo-Chinese sauce. Sounds like a great way to enjoy your veggies, right? Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin with the recipe for vegetables in Schezwan sauce. Start with heating a tablespoon of oil. Next add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Also 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Also tear in 1 dry red chilli. Stir fry this for a few seconds. Next add in half a red bell pepper diced, half a yellow bell pepper diced, half a green bell pepper diced, 1 carrot sliced, 6 baby corns diced. Let's toss all these vegetables. Stir fry these vegetables till they are half cooked. After 2 minutes, let's add in 6 diced mushrooms, also a little bit of salt. Next add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of Schezwan paste, a tablespoon of light soy sauce and a tablespoon of ketchup. Let the paste and the vegetables cook for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let's add in a teaspoon of corn flour in 2 cups of water. Mix it in the water to make a slurry. Add the slurry in the vegetables. If you want to pre-prep this recipe and keep it, I have a tip for you. Stay tuned till the end. And next, add in little more salt. Be careful with the salt because the soy sauce, Schezwan paste, everything is quite salty. Let's add in a few cubes of paneer or tofu. Let this boil and thicken for 2 minutes. This gravy is ready to plate. For more such delicious recipes, don't forget to catch me on Rajshri Food every Monday. Garnish it with a touch of spring onions and we are done. No matter how many ever Indo-Chinese recipes I upload on the channel, it's never enough. Do try this with some piping hot fried rice and let me know how it turned out. Until then, see you. Bye-bye. If you plan to pre-prep and keep this recipe, here's a tip for you. Stir fry the vegetables and the sauces and keep it aside. Just before serving, add in the corn flour slurry and boil. This helps in avoiding overcooking the vegetables.